Renault Zoe, take out the rear light or to change the bulb. It's just here. So just open this up. So if you look here, we've got some plastic trim tabs. So the way these work, you pull out the middle bit like that, and then these come out. So there's one, there's another one there, and there's a third. So just pull those out like that. And that allows you to bring this carpet down. And then if you look in here, just there, you've got like what looks like a grey ball. So, and that is actually what locks in your light. Let's see if we can show it on the camera. So grab hold of that ball and just start turning, obviously anti-clockwise to undo. And then that obviously comes out. There's a Torx in the middle that you could use, or just like a big flat screwdriver or a coin if you're having trouble to turn it. So now that is out, this light just pulls away. So it just pulls away like that. We've got the connector here on the bottom, but if you're just doing the bulbs, you don't need to undo the connector. So if you just go into the bulbs, just twist and pull out. So obviously that's the indicator, and that's the stop light. And there's the rest of the light connected to the LED, which isn't really changeable. So to fit the light back, you've got a couple of mounting lugs here which go in that point there and that point there, and this screw that goes through that hole. So that's the light in place.